Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your image using Remini AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in remini.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Remini AI. Simply click on the Try Remini button and now you will be taken to the Image Enhance page. You will find an option to upload your photo, so simply click on Choose File and then select your photo. You can also drag your image and drop it in the given box. And now once your image is uploaded, it will begin the enhancing process. And now as you can see, the Remini AI application is enhancing your image in real time. You can also try various other options or upload a new file by clicking on New Upload. You can download your image once you're done with editing by clicking on the Download button. And of course, in order to remove the watermark, you will need to sign up for a Remini account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your image and enhance it on Remini AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.